Hello everyone. In this exercise of Solid Autocad, we will understand the join and explode command. Okay. First, we will understand join command. Shortcut for the join is J. Okay. So I draw objects for the join command. I create line. This ortho on. One line is this one. Click. And second line is this one. Okay, enter out of the command. Again enter in order to repeat the command. One line is this one. Click, enter. Now enter in order to repeat the command. Track the point and click, and this, click, enter. I have drawn two lines. These are separate lines, but these are connected lines, connected one to each other and collinear with each other. Okay, and these lines are at a gap, some gap, but they are in collinear. So in order to use the join command, you can press J on the keyboard, J, enter. Now we are in the join command. You can select this object, this, and enter. Now you will see this is one line in this way. Escape. Now I want to join these two lines, but it must be in collinear. It must be collinear in the same line. So in the modify, this command is this is join command here in the modify panel. Join command. Select this line, enter. Now this is single line. So in this way you can join the lines. Okay, now in the same way you can join the arc. Suppose I make the R2 arc, make one ortho of this. Now again enter in order to repeat the command. This, and this. Okay, but the center of this arc is different. Okay, center of the arc is different. Okay, now how I join? Modify, go in the just join command, this one. Join command, select this one and select this one, enter. Now this is single. These are the connected arcs. In this way you can arc, but these are the different center point of these arcs. Suppose I make this ortho on this and this. And I'll delete. I make suitable two arcs here. 200 or 250, enter. This way 250, enter, out of the command. I make two arcs here. Start, center, end. Start point, center point, end point. Okay, again same arc, start, center, and end. This one. These arcs are sent. These two arcs. One arc is this one arc is this one. But these have the common center. Okay, center point is common, but in this case the center point was not common. Okay, how to join? Same thing. Modify, join this one and this one, enter. Now you will see if I select, this is the same. These are connected arcs. In this way you can join the arcs and the lines. Now how to use the explode command? Explode command, for this I make some object with the help of the polyline. Polyline, this line, and arc, this one, track point, this one and this one. Undo, you can undo this one. Undo. Undo. I change this point, midpoint, quadrant, okay, in this way. Okay, this one I delete, another make this point. Polyline, select this line, this, and this, ortho of arc, suppose 250, enter, line, select the line, this, ortho on, track the point, click, now click, enter. So this is the polyline. We will understand the explode command. One, I make the array command. Suppose I make a circle here and make circle here at this quadrant, okay, and I make circle here, this one, and array, polar array, select the object, enter, center point, this one. This is the array, this is this one, okay, and close editor. So in the explode command, a polyline is actually a single object. So polyline is a single object, and array is also a single object. This one you will, if I select this one, all are selected. Okay, in this you can use explode command is this one in the modify panel. Select this one and select a complete object. This one. Enter. Now you will see these are this one and this one. So actually, this command splits the object into different objects, single object. Okay. In the same way, this is a array, and I use for the shortcut command EXPL. Enter. If I select this one, this is single object at this time. Now if I select enter, now EXPL, enter. This command is this explode here. Select, enter. Now you will see these are the single object in this way. This one. These are the single objects. And explode command splits the single object into a different objects. Okay. And this way. Suppose you make a revision cloud. In the draw panel, there is a revision cloud here. This one. I select, and arc length is this one. If arc length, I suppose I take 50. Arc length, enter, and click here, and this one. This is a if you select, this is a single object. Explode EXPL. 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 No. EXPL. Shortcut is EXPL. Okay, enter. Now you select the object. This one, enter. Now if you select, if you zoom it, this one, off this one, enter. If you select, off this points, center points, and this one. This is single object actually. Explode, select the line, select, enter. Now you see these are the single object. This one in this way. Okay, in this way. Again I explain. Suppose you draw any revision cloud here. This one, this is a revision cloud. Actually, at this time is a single object, polyline actually. So explode command EXPL. EXPL. expl, this is command. Enter. Now xpl, enter, select the object or select in this way and enter. Now it is single, it is this one, this one. Now you see this is single object, or you select from here this one, enter. If you select this one, now this is single, different, it is split it into different arcs. In this way you can use the explode command. Okay, this one. In the join command, you can join the lines and this way and different arcs of the different centers, and this one. And hatch command also you can explode. Suppose you make a rectangle here, suppose this one, and hatch, this one, hatch command, hatch any tick pattern here, this one, and scale you can take, suppose 10, enter, this one. This is hatch command, close editor. If you use explode command from here, modify panel, this one, and select, enter. Now you will see these are hatch are separated, individual lines are separated. In this way you can split the commands. Okay, this one. Or if you want to join, modify, join command, this is different objects, select this, enter. Now if you see, this is polyline. You can different objects you can join with the help of the join command, and you want to split is a single object into different multiple objects, you can use the explode command. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. Please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.